The Lowrance HDI Skimmer Transducer combines traditional sonar and down imaging in one compact housing, giving anglers a much clearer view of what is beneath the boat than older single-mode transducers. Its wide range of operating frequencies, including both low and high options, lets you balance deep water penetration with crisp detail when you are targeting structure or schooling fish. The transom mount design is sturdy and straightforward to install, making it a practical upgrade for many small to medium fishing boats without needing specialized brackets. Integrated water temperature sensing adds useful real-time environmental data, helping you track temperature breaks and fine-tune your search for active fish. Compatibility with popular Lowrance Elite HDI and HDS Touch units means it drops into many existing setups without hassle, while still unlocking advanced imaging features. Overall build quality feels robust enough for frequent use in harsh marine conditions, inspiring confidence that it will hold up over many seasons on the water.